Hello guys, my name is Alem J. Manuel. So I'll be showing you how to edit your Chinese on your satellite finder or any decoder. So just follow this video till the end and you will know all those things. Now click on your menu button, go now to your channel, enter your channels. They are going to ask you, they are going to show you TV channels list, they are going to show you radio channel list. That is, they are going to show you another one, EPG, which is the program. They're going to show you the time settings and favorite and delete all. Now this, if you want to delete all your channels, you go to delete all. It's going to require you your password, so if you input your password, all your channels are going to be deleted. Now we need to edit channels on your TV, your TV channels list. So you enter there, each satellite is there. Now there's some things up here, very important things: favorite, lock, skip, move and edit. Now if you want to move a channel from any number, just click on your yellow button and select the channel. Now after selecting it, please read very well. There's a commandment down here. Please, the commandment is press info to start moving. Let me say I want to move now this channel that I've already selected. I need to press info. I'll go down. Let me say I want to put this channel in channel 1. Let's do it practically. That was African News. Let's say I want to put it at channel 1. So I've already selected it. I need to press the info button. This is the info button. I'll press it and it moves it automatically to channel 1. Now let's just say I want to delete that channel. I will need to press my edit, because the delete here is hidden under the edit. After pressing the edit, they are asking me if I want to save. Yes, because I did some work. Yes. Now after pressing that edit, now it's going to show me my sort, edit and my delete. Maybe I want to delete the channel. I'll just click on my delete and delete it automatically. I want to edit the channel, to change the channel name. I'm going to press the color of the button and enter the channel. It's going to give me the channel name and I can edit it. I want to sort these channels. I'll press red and these are name A to Z, Z to A, free to scramble, lock and so forth and so on. So this is how you can do it. Now let's just say you want to skip the channel. You do same, press your skip and okay, gives you the skip function here. Let's say you want to lock. Let's do this one practically, the last one. You want to lock, you press your red button for lock and you input your password. Now they're asking a question here: lock page by SAT, lock page by TP and lock one by one. So I don't want to lock the whole SAT. I want to lock each channel one by one. So I'm going to click on one by one. It locks automatically. Now if I'm saving and if I want to watch this channel, I will need to put the password. This channel, I will need to put the password. Let's see. They ask for the input password. So if I'm putting it, that is how you can lock your channels from your kids to watch. That is how you can do it. So I want to remove the lock option. I'll do same and click on lock and put the password. That is it. Do the same process and save. You want to save? Yes. Now if you want to watch your any program here using your USB drive, you just enter into your media and there's music, picture and movies. That is how you can use. Now the satellite finder has a port HDR, which is your HDMI out. It has AV out and AV in. It has USB and it has where you can charge your satellite finder. Let's just say you came to somebody's place and you want to work. You don't want the person to see what you're programming on the decoder. You can just connect the decoder to the AV in, and now the decoder things you are doing on the decoder is going to enter into your satellite finder and use the screen. That is how you can just do it. So this is a satellite finder for you to track your channels. It's very good satellite finder. So I'm advising you to go to the market and get the satellite finder. or if you have excess money, you can get V8 Finder 2 Pro or V8 Finder 2 Pro Max. So this is just how you can use this finder. If you can use this finder, then at least you can use, in fact, all of those finders. And now the disadvantages of you using your video, the advantages of you using your video finder over your audio finder is that now there are many satellites, and let me say you want to track your Eutelsat, which is 16A. Now there's a particular frequency there that is also on your Astra, which is your multi TV, and it's also on your StarTime. Now if you don't use that frequency, if you have a audio satellite finder, because you might track your Astra and you don't know that is your multi TV, or you might track your StarTime that you don't know, and you are tracking your whole day. So you see, that is a big disadvantage. So just get this. It's very it's cheap, not that way expensive. So just get this thing. So don't forget to like this video, you share the video, and you comment. The last thing, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe so that you see all my videos I'll be dropping on this channel. And don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to share the video.